How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enter your redeem code for YouTube Premium. Let's get right into it. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's begin. First thing first, you are going to open any web browser you have on your phone or laptop. Once you open up your web browser, you are just going to search for youtube.com/redeem. And once you search for it, this kind of web page will appear on your screen where you have an option to enter a redeem code. All you have to do now is enter the code that you have available, which should be valid in the first place. Once you enter the code, you can just tap on next, and if the code is valid, the code will be applied to your YouTube account, and you should be able to take benefit from that. So that is how you easily redeem your code for YouTube Premium. And if you found this video helpful in any way, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.